In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a JPG to a PDF using Dropbox. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to begin on your Dropbox homepage. If you're not already there, go ahead and log into Dropbox and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Once you're on this page, the next task is to locate the folder where your JPG file is stored. Take your time browsing through your directory until you find the specific folder that contains the image you wish to convert. After you've identified the folder, the next move is to open it. This should be straightforward. Just click on the folder and you'll see all the files it contains. Once inside, scroll through the list of files until you find the specific JPG you want to convert to a PDF. Now comes the pivotal step. Next to the JPG file, you'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. You'll be presented with a drop-down menu that offers several options for the file. Within this drop-down, there's an option labeled Save As. Hover your mouse over this option, and you'll see a submenu pop out. In this submenu, there's an option for converting your file into a PDF. Simply click on PDF. This action will notify Dropbox to initiate the conversion process. And there you have it. Dropbox will convert your JPG file into a PDF, and you'll get a notification or prompt once it's complete. This converted PDF will likely be stored in the same directory, making it easy for you to find and use. Converting JPGs to PDFs through Dropbox can be a highly efficient way to manage your files, especially if you frequently work with both image and document formats. It's especially useful for sharing the converted files, maintaining format consistency across devices, or simply for easy printing. Remember, if you ever find yourself stuck or any issues arise during the conversion process, Dropbox's support resources are incredibly helpful, often providing quick solutions. So whether you're archiving images, preparing documents for print, or just need things in a sleeker format, this method should suit you well. Enjoy the simplicity and utility that this Dropbox function brings to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today. Happy file converting!